Cardano and Solana have led the charge of altcoins in the recent round of inflows into the crypto market. Altcoins saw increased inflows alongside Bitcoin, which had seen increasing interest from investors after the first Bitcoin ETF had been approved and began trading last week. Last week recorded the highest amount of institutional inflows coming into the market. Institutional investors are now upping their stake in the market with the recent gains recorded across the market. Most notably has been the price of Bitcoin, which had broken a new all-time high following the trading of the first Bitcoin ETF. The ETF had been released with much success as over $1 billion had been traded within the first 24 hours of the ETF being released. CoinShares released a report showing that institutional investors are not relenting with their investments. Although altcoins had seen inflows into both assets last week, Bitcoin had once again led the market inflows. The record-breaking inflows saw $1.47 billion flow from institutional investors into the market, and Bitcoin accounted for a large portion of it. The amount marked the largest inflows in the space of a week in the market. Related reading: new Ethereum-to-Cardano bridge will provide NFT creators eco-friendly options. Binance also saw a positive week of inflows. However, the asset recorded inflows in volumes much smaller than its peers. Binance saw a total of $1.8 million of institutional inflows in the past week. The inflows recorded last week bring the total asset under management, to a new record of $79.2 billion, with a weekly closing of $76.7 billion.